Are you tired of losing track of materials, missing deadlines, or constantly guessing where your DIY project stands? Imagine a workshop where every screw is accounted for, every measurement is recorded, every deadline is visible, and every project flows smoothly from idea to completion. No more searching for notes. No more forgotten material lists. No more halfway finished builds sitting in confusion. In this video, we're exploring 99 digital workshop integration ideas, smart tech solutions that help you plan, track, and manage projects like a professional production studio. This isn't about replacing craftsmanship with technology. It's about supporting craftsmanship with clarity. Let's begin with planning. Many DIYers start projects with scattered ideas, a few sketches on scrap paper, a mental material list, maybe some saved inspiration photos. A smarter approach begins with digital project boards. Using simple project management apps, you can create visual boards for each build. One board per project. Sections for planning, cutting, assembly, finishing, and completion. Suddenly, your workshop has structure. Digital material lists eliminate the classic problem of multiple hardware store trips. Instead of scribbled notes, you maintain a master materials checklist that updates automatically. Inventory tracking is another powerful upgrade. A simple spreadsheet or inventory app can track how many screws, hinges, brackets, and boards you have in stock. No more guessing. No more overbuying. You can even categorize materials by type: hardwood, softwood, fasteners, finishes, and update quantities after each project. Digital measurement logs reduce errors dramatically. Record final dimensions, adjustments, and corrections. If you build a similar project later, you have a reference point. Photo documentation is another overlooked digital advantage. Take progress photos at each stage. Not only does this help with troubleshooting, but it also creates content opportunities and improvement feedback. Cloud storage ensures your designs, cut lists, and sketches are never lost. Access them from your phone in the hardware store or from your laptop in the workshop. Time tracking apps help you understand how long projects actually take. Many DIYers underestimate build time. Digital tracking reveals patterns and improves planning accuracy. Set milestone reminders for glue curing, finish drying, or material pickup. Instead of relying on memory, your phone becomes your assistant. Digital calendars can block out dedicated workshop sessions. Treat your creative time like an appointment. Barcode labeling systems for storage bins simplify tool and hardware management. Even simple printed QR codes can link to digital inventory sheets. Budget tracking apps prevent overspending. Assign a budget to each project and track expenses in real time. Use note-taking apps to record lessons learned after each build. What worked? What didn't? What would you change next time? Over time, this becomes your personal workshop database. Smart lighting systems can be programmed for different phases. Bright white for cutting, warmer tones for finishing. Digital thermometers and humidity sensors protect wood storage. Wood movement is influenced by environment. Tracking this digitally prevents costly mistakes. Laser distance measurers connected to mobile apps automatically record dimensions. Digital whiteboards replace cluttered paper notes. Clear, editable, organized. Voice assistants can set timers during glue-ups or remind you to check curing stages. Project timeline apps create Gantt-style charts so you see exactly where you are in the build. If you sell projects, customer management software tracks orders, deadlines, and communication. Digital folders organize design inspiration by style, material, or complexity. Use 3D modeling software to visualize builds before cutting a single board. Even basic sketch apps allow rough planning without wasting materials. Digital cut list generators optimize board usage and reduce waste. Create a shared family or team dashboard if others use the workshop. Set recurring maintenance reminders for tool sharpening, blade replacement, and calibration. Digital labeling for drawers and storage racks ensures consistent organization. Use scanning apps to digitize paper receipts instantly for budget tracking. Cloud-based collaboration tools allow feedback from friends or clients before building. Project completion logs help you measure growth and track improvement over time. Even digital checklists for safety procedures reduce risk and increase professionalism. Install smart plugs to monitor energy usage in your workshop. Use task batching apps to group similar activities across multiple projects. Maintain a digital idea backlog for future builds so inspiration never gets lost. Track tool usage frequency to identify which tools deserve upgrades. Use progress bars within project apps to visually motivate completion. Digital habit trackers can build consistent workshop routines. Keep a digital maintenance log for each tool, sharpening dates, repairs, replacements. Use automated backup systems so you never lose design files. Digital pricing calculators help you sell your builds. Record short voice memos when ideas strike. Creativity doesn't wait. Smart security cameras protect expensive tools and materials. Remote monitoring systems allow you to check workshop conditions from anywhere. Even digital mood boards help maintain design consistency. Use shared spreadsheets to plan material purchases in bulk. Digital reminder apps can notify you when finishes are fully cured. Scan wood grain samples and store reference photos for future matching. Track scrap wood inventory digitally to reduce waste. Use cloud-based budgeting templates for every project. Digital time-lapse recordings help analyze workflow efficiency. Create template project files to speed up planning for repeated builds. Sync workshop calendar with your personal calendar to avoid scheduling conflicts. Set deadline countdown widgets for important builds. Digital warranty logs for tools simplify future claims. Use note tags to categorize past project mistakes and solutions. Track seasonal humidity patterns to anticipate wood movement. Maintain a digital client portfolio if you take commissions. Use barcode scanners for larger inventory systems. Digital alarm systems improve workshop security. Track fuel usage for delivery runs. Automated reminder emails for clients if you run a small workshop business. Digital blueprint archives allow easy reference years later. Use workflow automation tools to reduce repetitive administrative tasks. Maintain a shared cloud folder for collaborative projects. Digital training logs track new skills learned. Track sanding grit progression digitally for consistent finishing. Monitor workshop temperature during finish application. Use digital cost per project analytics to improve profitability. Maintain a digital wish list of tools prioritized by frequency of need. Track project complexity ratings for better future time estimates. Use QR codes on storage bins linking to inventory sheets. Automate backup of project photos to cloud storage. Use simple CRM systems for customer-based workshops. Track warranty periods for materials purchased. Maintain digital inspiration archives categorized by design style. Use calendar alerts for wood acclimation periods. Track tool sharpening intervals precisely. Use spreadsheet formulas to estimate material needs based on dimensions. Digital drawing tablets simplify sketching adjustments. Use automated cloud syncing to access files anywhere. Track productivity hours per week. Maintain a digital troubleshooting log. Use version control for evolving designs. Even digital gratitude journals help maintain creative mindset. The goal is not complexity, it's clarity. Smart tech doesn't replace craftsmanship. It reduces chaos. It prevents forgotten steps. It improves consistency. And consistency is what separates hobby chaos from professional workflow. If this resonates with you, consider subscribing. This channel focuses on smarter workshop systems and practical upgrades that elevate your DIY process. Back to the integration ideas. Combine inventory tracking with automatic reorder reminders. Create digital labels for project boxes so unfinished builds are never confusing. Use analytics to compare estimated time versus actual time spent. Track tool downtime and maintenance costs. Use digital templates for invoices if you sell projects. Create automated reminders for client follow-ups. Maintain categorized folders for different project types. Use digital pin boards for design variations. Track sanding time for efficiency comparison. Use shared notes if multiple people access the workshop. Keep digital backups of printed plans. Monitor seasonal sales of materials digitally for cost savings. Track supplier pricing changes over time. Use password managers to secure workshop-related accounts. Create digital step-by-step checklists for complex builds. Maintain a digital safety incident log to prevent repeated mistakes. Set milestone celebration reminders. Finishing a project deserves recognition. Track workspace layout changes digitally. Use digital mapping for large storage systems. Maintain equipment depreciation logs. Analyze which project types bring most satisfaction or profit. The real transformation happens when your workshop stops feeling reactive and starts feeling intentional. When you open your project dashboard and instantly see progress. When materials are accounted for. When deadlines are visible. When ideas are organized. When confusion disappears. That's digital integration done right. And it doesn't require expensive software. It requires structured thinking. Start small. Choose 3 digital upgrades this month. Implement them fully, then add more. Over time, your workshop becomes not just a creative space, but a smart system. Chaos drains creativity. Clarity amplifies it. And with the right digital tools supporting your craftsmanship, every project becomes smoother, smarter, and more satisfying. Before you leave, subscribe for more smart workshop systems and project management ideas. The next video will help you level up even further.